Are you a beginner woodworker looking for simple projects to tackle? Or, are you a seasoned woodworker looking for broader woodworking project ideas? In that case, you have come to the right place, as we have gathered more than 80 wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for you to choose from for your next venture. Woodworking is an ancient craft that has shaped human civilization for millennia. From the earliest shelters to modern furniture, woodworking has played a crucial role in our daily lives. But beyond its historical significance, woodworking remains vital in contemporary society for various reasons: practicality, sustainability, creativity, skill development, and economic impact. In this video, while you look at our today's collection, we will talk about why woodworking is still essential today. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of woodworking ideas, furniture and decorative pieces for beginners. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Getting back to our discussion on why we need woodworking today, one of the most immediate benefits of woodworking is the creation of functional items. Furniture such as tables, chairs, and cabinets are often crafted from wood due to its strength, durability, and aesthetic appeal. Unlike mass-produced items, handcrafted wooden furniture is often tailored to meet specific needs and preferences, making it both practical and personal. Moreover, woodworking allows for the creation of tools and equipment that can be used in various trades. For example, carpenters and builders rely on wooden scaffolding and supports, emphasizing the material's importance in construction. Woodworking offers a level of customization that mass production cannot match. Individuals can design pieces that fit their specific spaces, styles, and functional needs. Whether it's a custom dining table that accommodates a growing family or a bookshelf that perfectly fits a small nook, woodworking provides the flexibility to create personalized solutions. Wood is a renewable resource when sourced responsibly. Unlike metals or plastics, which require extensive mining and processing, wood can be harvested with minimal environmental impact, especially when sustainable forestry practices are employed. By choosing to work with wood, individuals and businesses can contribute to a more sustainable economy. Trees play a significant role in carbon sequestration, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. When wood is used in construction and furniture making, it stores this carbon, helping to mitigate climate change. Thus, woodworking not only utilizes a renewable resource but also contributes positively to the environment. Woodworking also encourages waste reduction. Many woodworkers use reclaimed or salvaged wood, giving new life to materials that might otherwise end up in landfills. This practice not only conserves resources but also adds unique character to the finished pieces. Woodworking is not merely a trade, it is an art form. The process of transforming raw wood into beautiful pieces allows artisans to express their creativity. Whether through intricate carvings, detailed inlays, or unique designs, woodworking enables individuals to showcase their artistic vision. Engaging in woodworking can also have therapeutic benefits. The act of creating something tangible can be incredibly fulfilling, providing a sense of accomplishment. Many find that the focus required in woodworking helps to alleviate stress and anxiety, making it a valuable hobby for mental well-being. Woodworking fosters a variety of practical skills that are applicable in many areas of life. From measuring and cutting to joinery and finishing, the techniques learned in woodworking translate to other trades and crafts. These skills can be beneficial for personal projects, home repairs, or even in professional settings. Woodworking challenges individuals to think critically and solve problems. Each project presents unique challenges, from selecting the right materials to designing a functional piece. This process encourages innovative thinking and adaptability, skills that are valuable in any field. Many educational institutions have recognized the value of woodworking in developing skills and fostering creativity. Woodshop classes teach students not just technical skills but also the importance of patience, precision, and perseverance. These lessons extend beyond woodworking and are applicable in various life situations. The woodworking industry contributes significantly to the economy by creating jobs. Skilled tradespeople, artisans, and factory workers all play a role in this sector. Moreover, the rise of small woodworking businesses supports local economies and encourages entrepreneurship. With the growing interest in handcrafted goods, many woodworkers have turned their passion into profitable businesses. From selling custom furniture to crafting decorative items, woodworking offers numerous opportunities for individuals to start small businesses. This not only supports the artisans but also stimulates local economies. Woodworking products are in demand worldwide. From high-end furniture to basic construction materials, the global trade in wood products supports economies on multiple levels. Countries rich in timber resources can export these materials, promoting international trade and economic growth. Woodworking can foster a sense of community. Many woodworkers join clubs or participate in local workshops, where they share techniques, ideas, and projects. These gatherings create bonds among individuals with similar interests, promoting collaboration and friendship. Woodworking often serves as a means of passing down skills from one generation to the next. Grandparents may teach their grandchildren the basics of woodworking, instilling values of craftsmanship and patience. This intergenerational learning enriches family ties and preserves traditional skills. Woodworking is deeply rooted in many cultures. Traditional woodworking techniques and styles reflect the history and values of different communities. By engaging in woodworking, individuals can connect with their cultural heritage and keep these traditions alive. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked woodworking ideas, furniture and decorative pieces for beginners. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.